Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. And today you are tuned in for fun with fashion. So if that's your type of thing, then I hope you stick around, like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. But yeah, I wanted to have fun with fashion today. I recently really got into the whole Y2K fashion vibe. I don't know why. Well, I guess I do know why. I went down a rabbit hole. I was watching old music videos and I ran across this video of Maya, and it was her video called Best of Me. And in that video, she was wearing, I think, a UNC light blue jersey dress. And I thought, oh, that is so cute. And then I started Googling jersey dresses. And then all of these images started coming up of various celebrities wearing the jersey dress back in the early 2000s, like 2000, 2001. Like Mariah Carey was wearing a long version of the jersey dress, singing at one of the, I guess, sports events or a basketball game or something like that. And then I saw Rihanna rocking them casually down the street. And I just thought that is a really neat kind of like, just a cool casual vibe, if you will. And I said, I want, a jersey dress. And I'm not a sports fan. I don't support any professional team or anything like that. But I just like the look. When you're into fashion, you're into it for your own specific reason, for whatever mood you're in. Maybe it's nostalgia, I don't know, but I just love the jersey dress. And so I started looking online to see if I could find one, not a professional one. Those can get a bit pricey and you can find them on the resale market, but I didn't want a pro one. So I decided to go with this company on Etsy called 313 Custom, and they do custom jerseys and shirts and short sets and things like that. And so I had one custom made with my business name on it, New Life AD, and I shortened it because New Life Art and Design would have been just too much. So I did AD, which stands for Art and Design, but it also stands for Anno Domini, which means the year of our Lord. And then I had the number 7 put on it because it's the number of completion. So I also got it in red and black. You know me, you already know, those are my favorite colors. And I was really pleased with, the material of the jersey dress that I got. It's a polyester material, but it has a nice weight to it. And the wording is not like on top of the fabric, it's like inside of the fabric, if that makes sense. But it's like really, really neat. It's just smooth, it's soft, it feels well against the skin. And they have a sizing chart, and I just used the sizing chart to order mine based on my measurements. And when I got it, it fits perfectly. Of course, I'll be doing some mod shots a little bit later. But today, that's what I want to do. I want to do some different stylings of the jersey dress. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen a post of me wearing my jersey dresses. And I got this one, and I also got another one, but I really want to just highlight this one today because it features my business name on it. And I also want to highlight some sneakers that I got to go with this jersey dress. And these are some sneakers by a brand that I've never owned before, which is Skechers. And I hear everybody raving about how comfortable Skechers are. And to be honest with you, seriously, I thought Skechers were for I don't know, for people who had feet issues. I never really thought of them as a fashionable thing. I don't know what rock I've been living under, but these are really cute. I thought they were adorable. These are the Skechers Uno Walk on Air sneakers, and they are very lightweight. They are made from all man-made material. They're very kind of like a smooth foam synthetic material. It has perforated toe bed so your toes can breathe. It has memory foam cushion on the inside, which is super, super soft. It has a wedge heel that adds a little bit of height to you, like 1.5 inches, I believe. Really, really nice. And when you put them on, they feel so comfortable. Now, if you have foot issues, I don't know how comfortable they would be, but since I don't, they feel fine. And I got my size. I looked at the reviews and it says true to size for the most part, and I got a 9.5, and they are super comfortable. And as you see on the screen, they're flexible and they're super lightweight, and that's what I love about them. So I got these. This is what they look like on the bottom, and I'll do a cutaway of what they look like up close, but they're super, super cute. And I got them in red. Also got them in a classic white. You just definitely need a white shoe for the summer, a white sneaker, I should say. They're crisp, they're clean, they're classic. Once again, I love the wedge in them. And what else do I have to say about these shoes? I don't know, they're just super cute and you can wear them a lot of different ways. So I highly do recommend them. They're $80 on the site, but I got mine on sale. They were having 20% off. So I paid $64 for my shoes each individually. And I think they're totally worth it and worth getting into. Let me know if you own a pair of Skechers and what you think about them. All right, now that I've highlighted the sneakers that I'm gonna be featuring with this dress, let's go ahead and get into the styling of this dress.
For the first look, I decided to pair the white Skechers sneakers with the jersey dress to pull out the white in the trim as well as the number 7. And I think it really kind of brings a cohesiveness to the look. The bag that I am wearing is an AliExpress bag. It's a great dupe for the Chanel boy bag. So this look is meant to be sporty. It's meant to be a look that you can wear during the summer to a game or just running errands and you want to look cute but be comfortable at the same time. For the next styling, I paired the red Skechers with this jersey dress to pull out the name on the jersey, and I added a nice little red baseball cap that I picked up from Walmart. And this is once again another casual styling meant to be worn to like a game or just running errands. The purse that I'm wearing is a vintage Coach bag, something that I thrifted, but I think it ties together nicely with the look. Just once again, a sporty running around town look. Here are the two casual stylings side by side. Let me know in the comments below which look you like best. Do you like the white Skechers or the red Skechers? For me, it just depends on my mood. Here's another look at the back, and with 313 Customs, it's customization, so you don't have to get anything on the back if you don't want to. That's what I love about it. This dress is a size medium, and if you want a looser fit, of course you can get a larger size, but I was going for a more tailored look, fitted look, and I actually like it. It's very comfortable. For the last styling, I was going for a kind of like date night look, so I wanted something that was sporty but kind of sexy at the same time, so I added some strappy sandals and once again the AliExpress bag. I think it's a look, it's a vibe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And once again, check out 313 Custom. I highly recommend them.
That is it. That is all I have for you today for Fun with Fashion. I just wanted to highlight the jersey dress. Let me know what you think about this dress. Let me know what you think about the style of Y2K. Do you ever like travel back in time through your fashion? I love traveling back in time. Sometimes I'll wear things from the 80s. It just depends on my mood and how I feel. And that's the great thing about fashion. You can play around, experiment, and have fun. And I'd love to interact with you in the comments below. What are your favorite pair of sneakers to rock? And how do you dress casually? What's your favorite thing to rock casually? My name's Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because he loves us so much. And I love you too, and I'll see you next time. Bye.